Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my quick fix tutorial. This time I'm gonna fix my tail light and save hundreds of dollars with this simple solution. So let's get started. Alright, I'll start by removing all the dust and dirt that piled within the tail light, making silicone bond more firmly to the plastic. And we want to make sure that it's watertight. There you go. So you can see how thin this piece is. And for a car, that's the top of the class. For its year, for the price tag, it's too brittle. So this is too thin. I don't know why they put it like that. And the main reason I want to fix this instead of buying a new one is that it can set you back over $600 just for this one piece. So I'll zoom out a bit and okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to show you this piece. Alright, so this was meant to be here, just like that. Alright, so now it's a good tail light. You can see that. It just went off like that. So this piece is okay. I'm just gonna glue it back. First thing is going to be cleaning this piece and that piece with some alcohol and a paper towel that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so let's start. Right, here's an alcohol. Right, I want to do that so every single thing is clean, because that's where I'm gonna apply that silicone. And just like that. I might as well clean the whole thing, just to be sure. I want the maximum glow. Get back. Restore every single unit of glow. Alright. Right, I think it's cool. It's good enough. So now let me show you what I collected. See how dirty it was. Alright. So let's start. This piece back on. Good to go. All right. And it should be good. Once it's dry, it should be good. And that's all for this quick fix video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please leave a like, give me a follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.